guys, welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Dan. Today we gonna react Kiss of Life Sticky. So I'm not familiar sa kanta na to, but sabi nyo ba, if you don't, baka sabihin nyo, hindi mo kilala yung Kiss of Life. I've known Kiss of Life like last year, December, when they released the song of, I forgot what song is that, pero sumikat yun sa TikTok like last year. I think December yun, mga December na pang yung time na yun. But, yun nga, and late na ako. I hope I'm not late to react this, but yun nga, we gonna react Kiss of Life Sticky. Okay? So guys, if marinig yung voice ko is I record like earlier sa dito, but medyo hindi pa tapos yung kanta, and I replied the video. It's my voice cannot pick up, so inulit ko lang reaction. But I think it was 1 minute pa naman yun, so yeah. But we can react, so let's see. Here comes Belle. That. And you? And that with short hair. Is it good?
Yeah, no you tell with her. Feel like I'm hot stuff. You're a rock star. Here and now, let them say the something. I can retire to here and now. You know what I'm riding. Want you never get how long before we fall in love? I might just gotta fly high. How long before we fall in love?
They doing the what's that dance? Okay, Ben.
Love got so popped and flavor, yes, I'm all to new taste. Not in the summer fever, netted shit, I'm
I bet Julie, okay.
Like on my mommy camping, like gelato melting. Here I'm now. 심장이 느낀 darling, want to never get me. How long before we fall in love? I might just gotta fly high. How long before
They're doing the kids with the body na new. Oh, where they're running? Damn, Natty. Natty has that too. I thought it was fake. How? Oh, that's a good shot. I mean, good shot, but I watch that, but the videography is not good. And the camera is wet like that in a good way naman, okay? I don't know, who the fuck? Who's that? I thought it was Natty. Oh my god! I think ko lang if they're gonna do a five member. Hindi ko lang, baka ganun ba. But, okay, that's a quite music video out there, and I'm very shocked na they do it like this. You know, I thought na, kasi their song is quite summer vibes, and they're not doing anything like, alam nyo naman, like, I think what song that they debuted? Anong song na yun? I forgot what song is that. Yung nag-ano sila. Yung nag-debut. I forgot what song. Oh shush. Shush. Midas Touch. Di ko pala excuse me, napanood yung Midas Touch, but and I forgot what song. Yung ano yung kanta nila, but they do some certain like this yung parang ganun Nobody Knows. Yeah, it's Nobody Knows and Bad News. Yeah, I heard that song last year. So yung music video nila is like quite adult. Okay, quite adult naman. That it's this this Sticky. Okay, yung Sticky na to is a summer vibe. Okay. Okay, summer vibe. Summer is not over yet. Okay, summer is not over yet. But here in the Philippines, okay, I think in the Philippines because summer is over. It's over now kasi it's rainy season na. Okay, El Niño na kasi ngayon. But yun nga, I think in North America, I think kasi North America's 4 season yata. I think they have many seasons. I don't know what season. I think it's summer. Summer na yata. I don't know. But yun nga, so they released the summer vibe and I'm very shocked because I really thought that hindi man girl crush but more mature content. That's the word, mature, not adult, pero mature yung ano nila. Kasi sa Nobody Knows and yun nga, sa Nobody Knows and Bad News, they released that mature content. And I was so very shocked that never like walang ano ngayon sa K-pop that doing like that. In the 5th gen, of course. 4th gen, I think, wala. Because 4th gen is more like on badass, like that, girl crush, ganun na theme. I think the 3rd gen, I don't know. They're not Mamamoo. I will not say they are Mamamoo sa 5th gen, but they're kind of different. But this time, we're gonna react with subtitles. So, let's go. Okay, guys. Hey, Belle. Man, when I saw Belle, I thought makamukha siya ni Sulyon sa NMIX. If I don't know kung sa inyo, but for me, it's kamukha niya. Or like a Barbie doll, ganun. Yan yun. Okay. How long before we fall? How long? How long, guys? How long before we fall in love? Ako, seconds lang. Di, charot lang.
Here's a ticket, baby wanna go out, put on palm tree. 우리 부르잖아, don't be picky. Yeah, 누가 이 타위를 feel like I'm hot stuff, you're my rock star.
The scene of Julie reminds me of Side to Side sa kay Ariana Grande. Bakit ko alam? Because it was so famous back in 2016. Yeah. What I like about this, so the ano talaga, how the videography is actually good. They're killing it. They're killing this comeback. Okay, it's great. Yeah.
Love got so popped and flavor, yes, I'm autumn new taste. Not in the summer fever, 내리지 않는 so hear me.
I don't know what good to say. Kung magsasabi ako ng kung ano man, I don't know if it's correct, if pronunciation kung tama naman.
Like on my mommy dripping, like gelato melting. Here I'm 심장이 느낀 darling, want to never get me. How long before we fall in love? 마주친 순간은 fly high. How long before we fall in love?
Something's actually good though. And they're running away. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Yeah.
You know, I remember Natty in the 16 era. I mean, hindi ako ano the 16, but I rewatched the 16 era. When Natty is so different. So different than she debuted soloist, then re-debut again as a group naman with Kiss of Life. Man, wow. Ang grabe yung pinagdaan niya talaga. Okay. Ano again?
You make me fly away. 오렌지 빛 몰던 저 노래 inside.
I thought it's stick it. It's sticky. Fuck, man.
Yeah, 느려져도 they like slow motion. I'll take it to the new world. So boy, 뱉었는 대로 가. There's no way. 그리고 내게로 와, follow my lead. Let's get it, yeah. How long before we fall in love? 나비처럼 now, round round. How long before we fall in love? Let me know. It's like a depression.
And the song ends in 3 minutes less. So yeah. I don't get this part now. Kung sino yung isa ito. I don't know, is this the fifth member? Fifth member kids? If it's a fifth member teaser, that's okay. They got me. Okay, I think. Wow. Okay, I would not say anything bad over here, but yun nga. Okay, that's Kiss of Life. Okay, that's Kiss of Life. I would say the summer is not over here. Man, everybody stand out of this one. Okay, Belle, Julie, Nai, Haniel, man, everybody stand out. Wala naman ako magsabi ng kumpare dito. Man, I am very sure that this is less mature content naman kasi it's more sa vibes of summer kasi yun nga, but they really killed it. Akala ko kasi they go to mature content again, but they did not. I didn't see Midas Touch, so baka doon sila parang nagbago, pero hindi ko nakita yung Midas Touch, hindi ko narinig. So yeah, and wow, okay, not that bad. And nasabi ko lang, okay, Kiss of Life is a dangerous opponent right now. Kiss of Life actually killing it. Man, wow. Imagine mo, okay, because I only knew Natty here, so pag debut niya, I'm so very happy that she debuted because Natty was part like third gen na sana si Nai, but she debuted into 5th gen. Imagine mo how many years bago siya nag-debut ulit, okay? She re-debuted ulit sa but the song itself, is actually good. The cinematography, not cinematography, but the videography is actually good. The concept, okay? The song, wow! Everybody can sing. Everybody can dance. Hindi ko masabi who's the dancer and who's the lead vocal. Hindi ko masabi who's the lead dancer here. Hindi ko masabi kung sino. But all of them slay. Okay? All of them slay. And I don't know kung sino na talaga dito. Everybody stand out. Okay? Nai, Julie, Belle, Haniel, man. Everybody stand out. I will give this song 10 out of 10. Okay? 10 out of 10. Good vibes. Kung pupunta ka sa Boracay or sa Palawan or sa kung saan beach man, please patugtog yung Sticky. You know, yun nga, papaano lang naman, di ba? But yun nga guys, hope you like this video. Masabi ko lang, man, sayang, I hope they upload not less than 3 minutes yung kanta. But I think nobody knows what's actually 4 minutes and talaga yun. Because pinapakinggan ko minsan yan. But yun nga guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe, by the way, malapit na tayo mag 700? Malapit na tayo mag 700. I don't know kung 700 ba? Check ko lang. I think it's 700. Wala pa guys. But so, subscribe. So please. Yeah. And sa mga Kiss of Life stands, please stream Sticky. So guys, I'm your host Dan, and see you in the next video. Bye!